Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The first topic is relations and function. First, what is relations? Now I will explain what is relations. The first example, let us consider a set. Let us consider a set is number of students, person 1, S1, student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5. This is set A. Then B set. What is B set? Let us consider height of the student. 3 feet, one student's height, and 4 feet another height, then 5 feet. This is height of the students. That is set B. Set A, the students, number of students, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, like this. Set A. Set B. Number of person, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Then height of the students, 3, 4, 5. Here the student S1, height of the students 4, S2, height of the student S2 3. Let us consider S3, height of the students 5, S4, height of the students 3. Let us consider S5, height of the students 4. Student number 1, height of the students 4. So S1 height is 4. Then S2 height is 3. So student number 2, height of the students S2 3, and then S3 height is 5. Next S4 height is 3. Next S5 height is 4. This is the relation between student and height. The order of pair is, the order of pair, the order of pair, order of pair S1 comma 4, S2 comma 3, S3 comma 5, S4 comma 3, next S5 comma 4. This is order of pair. So now I will find out the A Cartesian product B, that is S is a one set, H is a another set. Let us consider the number of students. I will take A set, and let us consider height of the students B set. So A and B. So what is the A Cartesian product B? We know that A Cartesian product B is equal to, so S1 comma 3, the first relation S1 comma 3, next S1 comma 4, next S1 comma 5, next S2 comma 3. Next S2 comma 4. Next S2 comma 5. Next S3 comma 3. S3 comma 4. S3 comma 5. Next S4 comma 3. Next S4 comma 4. S4 comma 5. S5 comma 3. S5 comma 4. Next S5 comma 5. This is A Cartesian product B. So how to find out the A Cartesian product B? The relation between A and B, S1 comma S3, S2 comma 4, S3 comma 5, S4 comma 5. So like this, S1 so relate 3 elements, S2 relate 3 elements, S3 relate 3 elements, S4 relates 3 elements, S5 relates 3 elements. That is A Cartesian product B. So here the order of pair S1 comma 4 is belongs to A Cartesian B. S1 comma 4 belongs to A Cartesian product B. So S1 belongs to here. These elements are belongs to A Cartesian B. Then second elements, second order of pair S2 comma 3 belongs to A Cartesian B. So second elements also is there. Then third elements S3 comma 5. So S3 comma 5 is also belongs to in A Cartesian B. Next S4 comma 3. S4 comma 3 is belongs to A Cartesian B. Then S5 comma 4 is also belongs to A Cartesian B. Therefore 5 order of pair belongs to A Cartesian B. Therefore the A and B are relation. That is relation. What is the definition of relations? Here A and B are two non-empty sets, and then A relate B. Then every elements A relate B. Then so all the order of pairs subset of A Cartesian B. This all the elements subset A Cartesian B. Then A and B are relation. That is the relation definition. Relations. What is relations? Here let A and B two non-empty sets. So already first of all I take A set is students and B set is height of the students. Let A and B two non-empty sets. A relation or from A to B is subset of A Cartesian B. So all the elements subset of A Cartesian B. That is a relation definition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, then we write as X relation Y. X relation Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to relation. So what are all order of pairs belongs to relation, that is A Cartesian B. Therefore it is relations. So next domain, codomain and range. What is domain? What is codomain? What is range? Domain is nothing but the set of all the elements of P, that is domain. Here this is example. Here P set is 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 5, 6, 7, 8 is domain, but here 8 is not relate to Q. So 8 is not domain. What are all elements are relate to Q? That elements only domain. What is relations? What are all elements relate to P to Q? That elements is domain. So 5, 6, 7 is only domain. So 8 is not relate to Q set. So P is not related to Q, 8. So 8 is not domain. What is the reason? Because 8 is not related to some elements. So 5, 6, 7 only is the domain. So another one condition. So codomain. What is codomain? the set of all the elements of Q, that is called codomain. So here 3, 4, 5, that elements is codomain. So it is relate or not relate, that elements Q set is codomain, but domain is every elements relate to Q set. So that is domain, but codomain it is not relate, that elements also codomain. Here 3, 4, 5 is a codomain. So another example, here range. What is range? What are all elements are relates that elements only range. Here 5 relates 3, 6 relates 4, 7 relates 5. So 3, 4, 5 is a range. In case some elements is there 7, so 7 is not relate, but here codomain 3, 4, 5, 7 also codomain, but range only what are all elements are range, that relations only range. That is the difference between codomain and range. What is the domain? What are the elements are relation P to Q, that elements only domain. What is codomain? What Q set all the elements are codomain. And then what is range? What are the elements are relations, that elements only range. Next, another example, domain, codomain and range. Here 5, 6, 7. Here 5, 6, 7 is a domain, because here 5, 6, 7 all the elements relate to 3, 4, 5. So it is domain. What is codomain? 3, 4, 5, 1. Here one number is not relate to domain, so it is also codomain. Range. What is range? What are all elements are relation, that elements only range. So 3, 4, 5. Here P set is domain, Q set is codomain. Here what are all elements are relation, that elements only range. Let A set is 3, 4, 7, 8 and B set is 1, 7, 10. Which of the following are relation from A to B? Here R1 relate to A Cartesian B and R2 relate A Cartesian B. We will check the relation or not relations. So first question, we have to find first A Cartesian product B. Here A set is 3, 4, 7, 8 and B set is 1, 7, 10. So here 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. And B set is 1, 7, 10. Here this is A set, this B set. First of all 3 relate 1. So first relation 3 to 1, 3 to 7, 3 to 10. So first we have to find A Cartesian product B. What are all possibility of A Cartesian product B? So first possibility is 3, 1, the first order of pair. Then second order of pair 3, 7. Next 3, 10. So next order of pair 4, 1. So next 4, 7, 4, 10. So 4, 1, next 4, 7, next 4, 10. So next possibility is 7 relate 1. So 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. So here 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. The next relation 8. So 8 relate 1, 8 relate 7, 8 relate 10. So 8, 1, 8, 7, next 8, 10. This is A Cartesian product B. Here 3 comma 7 is an element. The first element we will check R1 relation or not. We will check. So R1 is the first elements 3 comma 7. 3 comma 7 is belongs to A Cartesian B. We will check. Is 3 comma 7 in 3 comma in A Cartesian B? No. No or yes? Rahul, 3 comma 7 is belongs to A Cartesian B? Yes. So already 3 comma 7, here also 3 comma 7. This is 3 comma 7, 3 comma 7 is there, 2 elements, and then second elements 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7 belongs to A Cartesian B, yes. And then second, Sundaresan 7 comma 10 is belongs to A Cartesian B, yes. 7 comma 10 belongs to 7 comma 10. So both elements are same. Then 8 comma 1, 8 comma 1 in A Cartesian B, yes. 8 comma 1, 8 comma 1 is there. So R1 elements are subset A Cartesian B. Therefore R1 is a relation. In case if the elements are not in A Cartesian product B, so R1 is not relation. R1 elements are belongs to A Cartesian B, therefore R1 is a relation. In case R1 elements is not belongs to A Cartesian B, therefore R1 is not relation. So here all the elements is belongs to A Cartesian B. So therefore R1 is a relation. Relation from A to B. The first sum completed. Then second sum R2. What are elements R2? 3 comma 1, 4 comma 12. So in the elements, the first elements 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 in set A Cartesian product B. Is 3 comma 1 in A Cartesian B? Yes. Is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 is belongs to A Cartesian B. Another element 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12 is not belongs to A Cartesian product B. So it is not relation. Why? What is the reason? Here the one order of pair is not belongs to A Cartesian B. Therefore R2 is not relation. So second question. First one, this second one R2 is not relation from A to B. Why? What is the reason? Because the elements 4 comma 12 is not belongs to A Cartesian B. That's it. That is the reason. So R2 is not relation from A to B. Third one R3. So R3 3 comma 7 first order pair 4 comma 10 7 comma 7 7 comma 8 8 comma 11 8 comma 7 8 comma 10. So we know that A Cartesian product B. What is A Cartesian product B? So already we wrote what are all possibilities. First 3 comma 1 3 comma 7 3 comma 10 4 comma 1 4 comma 7 4 comma 10. Next 7 comma 1 7 comma 7 7 comma 10. Then 8 comma 1 8 comma 7 8 comma 10. Here 3 comma 7 the one element, first element 3, 7 is 3, 7 in A Cartesian B? Yes. 3, 7 the same elements. The next elements 4, 10. 4, 10 is 4, 10 in A Cartesian B? Yes. Next 7, 7 is 7, 7 in A Cartesian B? Yes. Then 7, 8 in A Cartesian B? Yes. 7, 8. 7, 8 is not belongs to A Cartesian B. So these elements is not belongs to A Cartesian B. Therefore R3 is not relation from A to B. Because the element 7, 8 is not belongs to A Cartesian B, and then another elements also 8, 11 is not belongs to A Cartesian B, and then 8, 7 belongs to A Cartesian B, 8, 10 belongs to A Cartesian B. The two elements is not belongs to A Cartesian B. Therefore R3 is not relation from A to B. So this is 3 Roman letter. Below the description கீழே கொடுத்திருக்கிற questions, study material, question bank, PPT இதெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக வந்து கோ த்ரூ பண்ணுங்கள். சேம் டைம் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா எல்லா கொஷினுக்கும் நீங்கள் முதல்ல சப்ஜெக்ட் நோட்டில் ஆன்சரை ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்கள். எக்ஸசைஸ் சம்மில் இருக்கிற எல்லா சம்ஸும் நீங்கள் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி சப்ஜெக்ட் நோட்டில் எழுதுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கும். ஸோ அதில் இருக்கிற கொஷின்ஸை நீங்கள் சால்வ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை தனியாக பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட சைன் வாங்கி டெஸ்ட் எழுதுங்க. டெஸ்ட் எழுதி ஸ்கூல் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு கண்டிப்பாக அனுப்பிச்சி விடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.